In today's video, I'm gonna be opening up these two products and just giving my initial impressions on them. We have this dual camping chair, camping couch, whatever you wanna call it, and then this folding lightweight aluminum height adjustable camping table. I'm gonna be pulling both of these out of the box today, opening them up, and then just giving you my initial thoughts on what I think about them. Both of these are brought to you by KingCamp, the KingCamp aluminum folding table and the KingCamp dual camping chair. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about these products or checking them out, you're gonna wanna stay tuned and watch today's video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name is Chris. Right behind me, this is the Fortune Taco. And if you're new to the channel and you've never seen my videos before, I like to make videos about doing mods on the Fortune Taco, installs, whatever it may be to the truck, and then also things related to that, whether it be doing some off-road adventures, product reviews like we're doing today. If that is anything you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel so you can see anytime I release future content. This video is sponsored by KingCamp. They saw one of my previous videos where I did an unboxing and setup build of my fire ring here from Wolfridge. They liked that content and they asked if they could send me out a couple products that I would feature on my channel. If you've ever seen videos on my channel before about me doing a review on products that were sent to me, I am not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna open these things up real quick, do just a brief little overview of them. I'm gonna let you know my opinion on them. And then hopefully after some use down the road in the future, maybe get a couple camping trips out of them, I'll let you know the longevity. If anything ever goes wrong with them, I'll let you know that as well. I've heard of KingCamp just a little bit before they reached out to me. They appear to be a cheaper, kind of budget-friendly brand for camping gear and equipment. They make tables and chairs. I've seen sleeping bags. So I believe all their products are made overseas. A little bit cheaper quality, but that also brings that price point down. So if you're looking at saving a little bit of money, but you want to get some gear to add to your camping adventures or your overlanding setup, then KingCamp might be a brand you want to look into, but let's dive into it. We're gonna get these things pulled out of the boxes, so we're gonna get them all set up. We'll check them out and we'll see what their build quality looks like. At least just the first initial thoughts of pulling out of the box, one thing I like is this carrying case that comes with the table. So you fold it up, put it in the bag, and then it just makes storage easier, loading in and out of the truck, and then also storing when you're not using it in the garage, your shed, wherever you put your camping gear. So that is a plus. We have metal hinges here. They appear to be aluminum. They're actually pretty heavy duty. I mean, they're not really flimsy, but two metal hinges. I'm gonna flip this over because it looks like this side has a latching mechanism. So by pressing on that, you fold it, but when you open it up all the way, that locks. So now this table won't go anywhere. This is my first time opening it. I know nothing about this product. I didn't do any research on it because I wanted it to kind of be just an initial thoughts thing. I didn't want to really do research or have any type of biased opinion on it. But the legs here fold out and lock in place. So that's nice, everything locks up. And then we have our legs here. The feet on them are on like a ball swivel kind of design. When it comes to camping, you obviously know if you're in dirt and rocks, you're on an uneven surface. You might need your legs to all be kind of a little different. And then it looks like each one of these legs can individually extend. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna make that noise. This little orange lever, by folding that 180 degrees, these legs pull out. It looks like it's gonna be a pretty decent height table too. Now all of these legs I'm extending, they also appear to be built of an aluminum construction. Aluminum supports this aluminum track, so there's a lot of metal components on here. This locking mechanism and the grooves in here it locks into, that's plastic. The legs themselves are all built out of aluminum. So a lightweight kind of metal design. The lightweight is nice for packing these things up. Obviously makes the product lightweight in general, which is nice for camping. The tabletop itself, I believe it's like a composite plastic, a PVC plastic, it appears. I don't think that's metal, but this ring around the table is metal. That is made of aluminum. A lot of the other components are made of metal, which is pretty nice in my opinion. Let's stand this thing up. So our overall length of the table, we're just gonna be shy of 4 feet at 47 inches long. And our width is 31.5. Like I already said, not a bad sized table. I mean, you could definitely set this up to do dinner on it. You could have 4 people sitting in this if you had chairs set up for that. Set up your coffee maker on, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to sit on this table. But it is decent enough size, I would say, when you're camping, to have 4 people sitting down eating dinner, this would be more than enough space. So it's a really good sized table. And then our height, right now we're looking at 28 inches, and I have those legs fully extended. Now we come more down to like a coffee table kind of size. And you have a minimum at 16.5. So you can go as low as 16.5, or like I had it all the way up to the top at 28 inches. So pretty versatile when it comes to that. So with those orange grooves, when you unfold this clip here and you pull it out, you can lock it in any one of these spots. I mean, you can really pull it out that much and lock it. So, I mean, it's probably a 1/4 inch of adjustment. So you can change these things with every little click you hear there. Now, as I was looking this thing over, I noticed a couple little damage pieces to it. This rubber trim is kind of sticking up. This metal corner got bent in, and then over here, it looks like the metal corner also got bent in, and it kind of chipped up part of this table. These are probably more than likely shipping damages is what I assume, but a couple little damages there, kind of just showing, like I said, real true and honest. So both of these issues are something that are just cosmetic. I don't really think they're gonna be any long-term issues, but I'll keep an eye on it and see if anything's gonna happen from it. But they're 2 little dents on the edges of the table. It doesn't have anything to do with the structure of the table, the legs, the functionality of it. It's more just the style and looks of the tabletop surface. So I don't think it's really gonna be an issue, but that's my only negatives on this so far. The table itself only weighs 29 pounds. It is pretty light, so I can confirm that's probably accurate. And the weight capacity, they're claiming to be 176 pounds. That's not too bad, because I don't know how many people are gonna put 176 pounds of food on their table. Let's put this aside. Let's open up our chair. Now, what I'm currently running is gonna be a chair from Guide Gear. Nothing wrong with it. I love the chair. I've had it for multiple years. There's some rips and tears in it just from use. Usually anytime I go camping, it's with some buddies. It's with my brother. My dogs come with, but the wife is not a really big camping person. So more than likely, this dual camping chair is gonna be used for me and one of my dogs cuddling up next to me. Maybe both of my dogs if all 3 of us can fit. I wanna point out right from the start is the cases these things come with, they seem to be a really nice durable quality. We'll see longevity, plastic buckles, but it appears to be kind of like a canvas material. It's kind of thin. It's not too thick feeling, but it's a canvasy material. Nylon straps, plastic buckles, so we'll see how long that holds up, but it is nice that they come with these kind of carrying cases or whatever you wanna call them to protect the product. There appears to be a lot of padding on this. Toss that aside. And then let's see. We have buckles, Velcro. So it's rolled up like a burrito and it's kind of held shut. I feel like really similar to like a sleeping bag. Okay, so those aren't attached at all. They're just wrapped around. I was kind of thinking those were gonna be attached somehow, but interesting. The frame structure is completely separate from the chair padding. That's interesting. I think I have this upside down. Nothing appears to be locking, so I guess that's it. It just sits there, and then, this is very interesting, honestly. So, on the back side of the chair here, you have these pockets. And those pockets are gonna slip over all 6 of these edges, I guess you wanna call them, knobs, I don't know. KingCamp logo up at the top facing up the right direction. Then we're gonna take all these pockets and just slip them over the knobs on the chairs. One of them already popped off. It is comfy, not gonna lie. The padding is pretty thick on here. It's a little bit of a bummer not having armrests. I'm used to definitely like having an armrest, but it's kind of like a couch. It's different, honestly. I was a little skeptical when I first opened it up and saw that the padding was completely separate from the frame. That was a little odd. Definitely tried out camping on my next adventure. I'm gonna be going up to Sedona with some friends, hopefully next month. We'll get to test out all of this new gear, but I'm not 100% against it. It's just a little unique and different. I'll have to see the longevity and some actual camping use with this thing to see how well I really like it. But it's comfy, definitely roomy. I mean, you can see here, it would fit 2 people nice and comfortably easy. So it's just the fabric of the chair holding you. You're not sitting on any bars, there's no structure, and not even behind you. It's literally, it's almost like a hammock. Like I'm just on the fabric itself. So that part's nice. It is a really comfy chair. It might win me over. Comfort's there. The structure appears to be good. So the biggest thing with me is longevity. We'll just have to see with time, with use, taking these things on some adventures, maybe using them at some meets or events or wherever I get a chance to use them. I'm definitely gonna break them out, put them to the use, because if these things last, then they're gonna be a really good product. Because all the support structure underneath this plastic table are all metal. So that's no different than any of like those regular plastic folding tables you use. I use like a Lifetime table I've had for years and years. It's a plastic top table with metal legs, and that thing has lasted years and years of abuse. If I wanna be sitting in a chair like this and putting my food here and eating, this height would be perfect. You don't want a full-on tabletop while you're out camping. Maybe you wanna just sit around, hang out, chill, or you can put this thing next to you and it can be like a little side table. You put some drinks on with the adjustable height legs. This can be so many different tables. In the morning when you're doing breakfast, full height, have it right next to your cooking setup, and that's where you can put out the plates of eggs. It could be a serving table for everyone to make their breakfast. That's where you can put the mixing bowls while you're preparing your food and putting your stuff together in the kitchen. You can bring it over next to the campfire, next to the chair, and lower it down, put all the food on it. It could be the coffee table, you sip your morning coffee, maybe you eat your breakfast. It could be up to a full height and put 4 chairs around it. It could be the kitchen table. So it is really cool that because of the adjustable height, I feel like it can be used for so many different scenarios, which you need that in camping. You need to be able to use one product for multiple different things. Both these products, I give them a thumbs up on my initial impressions. Like I said, I don't want to get too in depth. I'm not gonna fake it here and be like, yes, go buy these. These things are amazing. And then they don't last. I do not know the longevity. I literally just pulled both of these out of the box. But I do want to thank KingCamp for sending both of these out so I could feature them on my channel, show them to you guys. Just use this video as a reference of gaining some knowledge on these products. If there is any questions you have about either one of them that I did not cover in the video, please drop a comment down below. I would be happy to answer any questions I possibly could. And if I can't find the answer or don't know the answer, I'll reach out to KingCamp and I'll get the answer from them as well. So I appreciate any feedback you guys want to give me or any questions you have for me. I love answering and helping people out as much as I can. If either one of these products interests you, I'll have links down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, it would be a huge favor to me if you could hit that thumbs up button. It helps the video be more successful to get seen by people just like yourself. Thank you guys. I appreciate you for sticking around all the way to the end, and I hope to see you on my next video.